I landed on my first client and got 6K commission on my first client.
What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Stedman Waiters, CEO and founder of Well Builders Academy and Waiters Capital. And this should be another testimonial from our academy for our student, Jesus. Jesus was a mechanic out of California, just wanted to start a business model where he can get his feet wet, start making some money, and then transition into doing this full time. And the business loan broker, starting your own funding company business model was something that helped him. Like I mentioned, he was a mechanic, didn't know anything about credit or funding. He learned everything through our academy. And in his first 30 days, he was able to make 6K off literally using the marketing strategies that we teach. And hopefully you guys get a lot of value from this. I make these videos to show you guys that it's possible for anyone and everyone out there. So enjoy. See you.
Got my guy Jesus here, another student from the academy. He's been having great results just joining in. So I got a few questions for you, brother. First and foremost, tell everybody your name and what you do, man.
So my name is Jesus. Kenny.
How were you before the program? Like, how did you get into the program? How did you find out about me? And how were you before actually joining?
Before, I was planning to get into the Toro business, but my credit wasn't aligned. I started looking up on videos of how to fix my credit. That's when I kind of stumbled on your videos, one of your YouTube videos. That's when I got very interested in about business funding and everything. And it's crazy because before the academy, I knew nothing about any of this.
Be honest, how many online hustles have you tried that went nowhere? You've probably tried a few, right? This is a real funding floor. Every headset behind me is a live deal. I'm hosting a free workshop this week where I'll walk you through exactly how to build a funding business, how to close your first deal, how to make real commissions. I keep these sessions small so we can do live Q&A. If you show up and stay till the end, you get exclusive bonus. If you're serious about this, click the link below, save your seat, and come right back. So next question is, what have you done after joining the academy? So obviously you've been here for a short period of time, about 30 days. Let the people know what you've been able to accomplish in that short amount of time being in the academy, man.
Yeah, it's crazy because before the academy, like I said, I knew nothing about credit or even business funding. And being in the academy, my first month, I acquired to get the knowledge and the confidence. I landed on my first client and got 6K commission on my first client. You know, with all the videos and step-by-step guides in the academy, it made the process so smooth that I was able to fulfill my client and he was a happy client. So I was very happy about that.
Let's go. And we appreciate that, man. Like I said, just being able to make 6K literally in 30 days just by executing. Knowledge was on us, but execution game was on you and you executed, bro. So congratulations to you. Going to the next question, man. I know you've been in the academy for only 30 days, but how would you say the academy has impacted you?
It impacted me. You know, I kind of like this company because I'm able to help people and fulfill their needs to help their, build their business. I think this is a very great opportunity for me to learn and help out others.
Perfect. Question number 5. Would you recommend the academy to someone else?
Most definitely, man. This was the best investment that I made. And I bet anyone that's looking to join us in this academy, they won't regret it for sure.
Perfect. And then last thing, do you think it was worth the investment, right? So you invested and you've been able to make your money back literally in 30 days, but do you think it was worth the investment?
Yes, it was. Most definitely it was, man.
Perfect. Well, that's pretty much it, bro.